back here at the Bill Oil Science Center for the live coverage of the NCAA Season 92. We are live also on ABS-CBN Sports in Action. Ako si Martin Javier. Kay Perez, kasama po natin at courtside. Nandyan po si Sarah at Carlos. Direct Abed Ramos also directing this game. Pero kapasok na tayo sa ating fourth and final period. It's been an exciting game so far. Lumobo ang kalamangan ng LPU Pirates in the third quarter to 8 points, 55-47. Anong inaasahan natin, Mikey, para sa parehong upunan?
Well, of course, this is a good game already for LPU. Alam naman natin, they push our powerhouse teams to the edge. Itong kagaya ngayon, up by 8 with a quarter left. Of course, makikita natin ang experience nitong LPU. Kung kaya ba nilang i-sustain itong lamang nila. Sa kabila naman, the defending champions are used to this type of game. Down by 8, kayang-kaya pa yan with 10 minutes left for Letran.
Eto, tuloy ang aksyon dito sa NCAA. Baltazar! Big 3-point shot para dito kay Wilson Baltazar.
And what a way to start the quarter para dito sa LPU. Another long bump coming from Wilson Baltazar.
10 puntos na para dito kay Baltazar. Tignan natin kung anong gagawin ng Letran sa kabila. They swing the ball around. Calvo with the basketball. Oh, nice bind to Soliano, who scores underneath for the Letran Knights.
Nice stitch there for JP Calvo. Nakita niya na hinarangan sa ni Mikey Susu. Pero nakita pa niya sa likod. Jom Soliano open for that shortstop.
Etong si Mike Harry running over Ray ng Batak.
Kita mo yung atake ni JP Calvo. Pinadaan sa kilikili. Itong si Mike Susu for that easy basket para kay Jom Soliano.
Great vision for the point guard of the Letran Knights. Siya ang mitangin ngayon ng bola. They move the ball around. Ray ng Batak putting on the moves against Edgar Marata. Ray ng Batak all the way for the layup. Ito si Razel Dakay, laban ng Intramuros. Go LPU Pirates. Si Christian naman, let's go Knights. Both teams may fans sa social media ngayon. Siyempre, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nakatutok dito sa NCAA Season 92. ABS-CBN Sports in Action. Traveling ang tinawag doon kay Joseph Gabayni, pero Allen Bailish, Battle of Intramuros, Go LPU. Ano naman, sana si Ray ng Batak daw, si Japheth Indico. He's given more playing time because he's good. Just want to play the game with more time.
Well, of course, coach's decision yan para kay Coach Jeff Napak. Kaya naman talaga maglaro ni Ray ng Batak ng buong game. Gustuin niya. Pero of course, Coach Jeff is thinking about yung long season ahead para dito sa Letran. Ayaw naman niyang maubos ang kanyang star player pagdating ng semis.
Etong si Ray looking for his points. Too strong, interested on. Offensive rebound again para dito kay JP Calvo. Ito ang inahabol nila dito. 8:13 to go here in the fourth. Magdirluwib over Gabayni, no good. Abregu comes up with it. Abregu kicks it out to the whip. Ng Batak against Ayaay. Ray ng Batak slices the defense and makes that circus layup.
What a move para dito kay Stingray ng Batak. James Hardenes, Euro step para sa lefty ng Letran. Ito na, mukhang nakangiti na ulit si Ray ng Batak.
Nabuhay na ang star player ng Letran Knights, Ray ng Batak. Nasa double figures na rin, 10 points para sa kanya.
Sagalones for Joseph Gabayni.
Namang nag-e-enjoy ang ating manonood ngayon dito sa Team Arena at talagang napupuno na itong likod natin. Pero kita mo naman yung half step, Euro step, o anumang step ang ginawa doon ni Ray ng Batak para lang ma-shoot niya yung layup na yun.
Trending na middle, itong si Ray ng Batak. Ito siya ulit. Pero wala yung tira niya doon.
Talagang malaki lang yung nakaharap para dito sa LPU, kaya ang hirap tumrive para sa mga gwardiya ng Letran.
Jack Alanes now. Natawagan ng foul doon si Ray ng Batak. Sumundot doon si Ray.
Number 6, Ray Namonap is first. Jared Balanza
Ay,
for
dito
Ray
sa ating screen si Joseph Gabayni.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Joseph Gabayni, of course, from last season. Alam naman natin talaga gumagawa yan last year pa for Coach Tovex Robinson. Almost a double-double for each game para dito kay Otep. At maganda, nakita na natin finally, nag-debut na itong si Gabayni para sa LPU.
Napakalaki ng binibigay niya ni Joseph Gabayni para dito kay Coach Tovex Robinson. The inside presence para tulungan itong si Mike Harry. JP Calvo gets the screen from Abregu. Soliano mid-range J.
Oh, Soliano.
puts it up and in.
And that's a big weapon para dito kay Soliano. Kasi kakailanganin lumabas ng kanyang bantay.
Taduya. They swing the ball around. Mahanap nila. Nice ball movement para sa LPU Pirates.
Kitang-kita nun, talagang hinihingi ni Ayaan yung bola dun sa gitna kasi alam niya kung anong gagawin. Once makuha niya yung bolang yun, ang ganda ng shot rate niya dun. And that drop-off dito kay Mike Zuzu.
5 points ulit ang lamang nila dito. 60-55. Action picking up here in this game. Balanza against Shaq Alanes. Parehong veterano. Luwib. Ilabas muna yung bola. 7 seconds on their shot clock. Kick out. Calvo for 3. No good. LPU Pirates will go the other way. But Shaq Alanes will settle down. Set the table para dito sa LPU Pirates. Mapansin mo, Mikey, ang ganda ulit ang ball movement neto ng LPU Pirates. Nahanap talaga nila yung open man, pero Wilson Baltazar goes to Ayay! Off the glass for Jesper Ayay.
Ganda lang pinapakita ni Jesper Ayay. Really taking control na lumipat sa zone defense itong Letran. He knows what to do dun sa kanyang spot na yon.
Both teams shooting 50% so far. Bukay Males. Last po ng ating laro dito sa ABS-CBN Sports Zen Action. And we are back here at the Phil Oil Bank Center para sa action po ng NCAA Season 92. As you guys can see, our fans from their respective schools cheering for their teams.
Ito si Big Mac Andaya, nandito supporting his former team. Alam naman natin, he played for the Letran Knights at kinoach of course ni na Coach Louie Alas. Katabi niya doon si Brian Ilad. At speaking of malaking na-contribute, ito si Big Mac Andaya, malaking-malaki ang naibigay. Of course, sa Letran Knights nung panahon niya.
Nami-miss nila yun dito sa larong to. Inside presence to tong si Mac Andaya na naglalaro pa ito para sa Letran. Pero balik muna tayo kay Sarah Carlos. Sarah?
Nagiging sobrang exciting na tong game na to, Martin at Mikey, pero yung huddles of both teams ay sobrang kalmado lang. Si Coach Jeff Napa pinaalala sa mga Knights na umaapaw na ang kanilang frustration at napapakita na nila dito sa kanilang game play. At pag ipagpapatuloy pa nila ito, magiging different ang outcome at baka maging hindi maganda ang resulta para sa mga Knights. Si Coach Topic naman sinabi sa kanyang mga Pirates na to just keep their eye on the prize at to value every possession dahil malapit na nila matikman ang kanilang victory. But as we all say, anything can happen. Mahaba pa naman ang fourth quarter. So, tingnan na lang natin kung anong mangyayari. Balik sa inyo, Martin at Mikey.
Maraming salamat, Sarah. Ito nga si Jeric Balanza cutting the lead to just 4 points with that 3-point bomb.
Ito na, lalabas na kung sino ang matatapak dito sa ating laro. 4-point game, 5 minutes to go. Itong si Jesper Ayay, isa sa mga matatapang ng LPU from the outside, even from the inside. Talaga nagko-contribute ngayong fourth quarter itong si Jesper Ayay.
Nice play off the inbound for the LPU Pirates. That extends the lead to 6 points once again, 64-58. Balanza goes to Soliano. Over Mike Harry, no good.
Not the best shot doon para sa Letran. Pero titignan natin kung mababawan nila ito on the defensive end.
Zuzu goes to Ayay. Inside, napayungan doon ni Jom Soliano. Pero mananatili sa kanilang bola. 8 seconds to go sa kanilang shot clock.
Ang ganda ng pag-compliment nitong si Jesper Ayay dito kay Mike Zuzu. Alam niya kung anong gagawin. Kita mo, ang focus na kay Zuzu, alam niya kung saan siya kukuha ng mga bola niya. Hindi nagpipilit. Meron siyang short stop, lalo na pag dinodouble itong si Zuzu, malaki ang nabibigay nitong si Ayay.
Ito nga, si Ayay, tumira ulit ng 3. Jesper Ayay, right on cue. Hits that 3-point bomb.
Wala akong masabi dito kay Jesper Ayay. Meron siyang mid-range, meron siyang ilalim, meron din siyang labas.
Siyang ulit ng lamang pero binalik ulit sa pito ni Jeric Balanza.
Jeric Balanza really trying his best to put this team on his back. At sa kabilang dulo naman, medyo nagmadali lang doon. Itong si Wilson Baltazar, bola ulit ng Letran.
Haba pa to. 3:41 to go sa ating final period. Period, rather. 67-60. Rain ng Batak. Oh, napeke doon! Si Mike Harry Zuzu.
Natawa na lang itong si Ray ng Batak. Fake pass doon, umikot. Hindi nakita yung bola, hinahanap ni Mike Zuzu yung bola. Easy basket for Ray ng Batak.
Sari-saring paraan para makascore para dito kay Rain ng Batak.
Para-paraan lang yan para kay Stingray.
14 na para sa kanya. Ayay, puts it off. Too strong. Soliano with a rebound. Gabol sila dito. 5 ang kalamangan ng LPU Pirates. Soliano. They find ng Batak against Kaduya. They swing the ball around. Makjur Luib. Hounded by Shaq Alanes. Pero Balanza puts it up for 3. Too strong. That would have been big para dito sa Letran. Kaduyak tumatakbo. And he draws the foul in transition.
Kita mo naman, para-paraan lang. Diskarte lang. Kita, naiwan doon si Mike Zuzu. Hinahanap yung bola. Unang-una, iniwan niya dito. With that shifty move, itong si Kaduyak. At parehas pala silang na-fake. Doon sa fake pass ni Ray ng Batak. So nice, we gotta see it thrice. Itong si Ray ng Batak with that undergo stop of that fast fake.
Marks of a great player, Mikey. Gagawa ng paraan para makascore para sa kanyang kupunan. Ito nga si Ray ng Batak. Pero Kaduyak with the free throws. The Stingray right now with 14 points. Despite his struggles earlier. And 4 out of 16 from the field. 24 points per game ang average nito, Mikey. Pero kinakapapa niya.
Well, alam mo naman, hindi importante. Actually, importante din naman yung gagawin over the first 3 quarters. Pero talaga nakikita mo ang tapang at ang galing ng isang player kung anong kaya niya gawin in the fourth quarter. Kaya nga naman itong si Ray ng Batak, he may not be scoring his usual numbers. Pero this fourth quarter talagang nagpapakitang dila sa bumabawi itong si Ray ng Batak. At eto na naman siya.
Ray ng Batak. They settle down. JP Calvo. Open si Balanza sa corner. Wala interest siya doon. JP Calvo, another offensive rebound. For the smallest guy on the floor. Soliano goes all the way. Rebound of Bregu. And he puts it back in.
A nice Iverson assist doon para kay Jom Soliano trying to attack the basket. And because of that, he sucked itong defense ni Mike Zuzu at na-open doon si Felix Abrego. Pero sa kabilang dulo, Raymar Kaduyak really trying his best. Kanina pa yan, first quarter pa lang, mainit na yan, Martin.
Kaduyak. Now with 14 points here in this ball game, 70-64. Last 2 minutes of the ball game. Nakahabol po ang Letran. Again, 1 week off tong Letran, Mikey. Last Thursday pa sila huling naglaro. Yes, tira doon.
Crucial possession dito para sa team ni Coach Topex Robinson with 1.5 minutes left. Up by 6 sila. If they can make this 8 or 9, eh, baka mahirapan na dito ang ating defending champion.
Sumundot nga si Ray ng Batak. Tawagan siya doon ng foul. At yung putback kanina ni Felix Abrego.
Maganda doon yung aggressiveness ni Jom Soliano. Kahit sabihin mong nag-finish siya, na-open naman si Felix Abrego for the rebound sa kabilang dulo. Kaduyak talaga nag-enjoy itong fans ng LPU. They just might get this win and this big upset against the defending champion.
1:29 to go dito sa ating fourth quarter. Anything can happen. Abang pa rin ang anib ng LPU Pirates. They go to Mike Harry. Who puts it up and in? Mike Harry Zuzu. Another post move.
Another grown man move sa ilalim para sa hari ng ilalim. Itong si Mike Zuzu. Nakita na naman ni Jesper Ayay the advantage over Jom Soliano. And the drop step and the hard basket, the tough basket there for Mike. Hari ng ilalim, Zuzu.
More importantly, that extends the lead to 8 points for the LPU Pirates. Babalik po tayo dito sa ABS-CBN Sports in Action. And we are back here at the Phil-Oil Flying V Center para sa last 1 minute 21 seconds ng ating laro. 8-point lead para dito sa LPU Pirates. Nakikita nyo yung mga fans ng LPU. Talagang full of energy right now because they are in the lead with 1:21 to go.
Masarap manalo pero iba yung feeling pag tinalo mo yung defending champions. And the team of Coach Topex Robinson on the verge of accomplishing that.
And one of the reasons, etong si Jesper Ayay, 12.7 rebounds, 6 assists, doing it all for the Pirates. Nambata draws the foul.
And still up to the last minute of this game, talagang pinapayuman ng LPU itong si Ray Nambata. Pero yung sabi mo nga kanina, Jesper Ayay with an all-around performance here. 12.7 rebounds and 6 assists. Kita mo naman yung laki na dinagdag off his averages. Talagang malaking bagay. Yung meron kang nagko-compliment dito kay Mike Zuzu. And Jesper Ayay just knows what to do.
Ayay providing the spark for Coach Topex Robinson. One of the reasons why they're in the lead right now, Nambata hits the free throw. Papa sa pito ang lamang ng LPU Pirates. Ray Nambata so far, 15 points, pero 5 out of 17 lamang from the field. Hits the second free throw.
With a minute left here, up by 6 itong LPU. They really should milk the clock and not rush their shots. Pero kung ganyan ka-open, pwede na. Pero maganda pa rin yung decision doon itong si Mike Zuzu.
Akala ko idadakdak na doon Mikey, pero he chose to settle down and burn the clock. Kaduyak all the way, no good. Apreco with a rebound. 44 seconds left for Letran.
Still a lot of time here for Letran. Crucial possession.
Muntik pang maibigay sa kabila yung bola. Calvo sees Ray, open for the 3. Corner 3 para dito kay Ray Nambata.
Sino ba struggling? Ray Nambata? Doesn't matter. When the game is on the line, he is ready to fire. Ray Nambata with the big 3 cuts this lead down to 3.
Baba sa 3. Sabi mo nga Mikey ang kalamangan ng LPU Pirates. Babalik tayo dito sa ABS-CBN Sports in Action.
Okay? It's gonna happen again. We'll be okay.
Lord, sige tayo, execute.
Let's go line. Okay? Si Mike to, no? Mike. Wilson. Ayay. Wilson. Siya. Kaduyak. Okay, first half. Wilson. Go. Go. Ay, kunin mo na lang. Pagkano, Mike, be ready for that.
David Dobon, ha? David Dobon.
David Dobon. Double ka agad yan. Don't try to grab at the ball kasi tama-tama ka tayo ng try. Going down. Sa'yo na. Wala nang execute, execute, ha? Tapos pag hinahanap siya.
Then one stop, after.
Tinig ni Coach Topex Robinson instructing his players for the last 28.2 seconds. Ayun yung tres kanina ni Ray Nambata.
Kitang-kita doon to end the huddle ang sabi ni Coach Topex. Pagbalik sa depensa, sa'yo na, huwag kang e-help kasi nga, kakashoot lang ni Stingray Nambata from the outside. And if they get the ball, alam mo na, nakukunin ni Ray Nambata.
They just need to burn the clock right here. 26 seconds left.
No need to foul, pala sa Letran.
But they foul.
Number 4, Felix Apreco,
No need to foul sana doon. Para dito sa Letran, they will get the ball back. They just needed a stop. Pero naitawag na doon. 2 free throws para sa LPU. Sayang yun, Martin. Kung di sila pumaul doon, they had around 5 seconds left. Makastop sila doon.
Pero Kaduyak, crucial free throws. Mintes ang unang free throw nito ni Raymar Kaduyak. If he makes the second one, it will be a 2-possession ball game.
And if he misses, good foul pala yun para kay Felix Apreco. And kita nyo naman, the anxiety of our LPU faithful.
Sumugal dun si Coach Jeff Napa with that foul.
Kamo sa kabilang dulo, nakatayo si Ray Nambata, nakadikit na ang dumedepensa sa kanya. Sino ba ang step up para sa Letran?
Duyak makes the second free throw. 4-point lead for the LPU Pirates. They are now applying the press. Calvo. May dala ng bola ng Batak. Libre sa tres. Ray ng Batak! It's another clutch three-pointer!
Wala ka nang masasabi dito kay Ray ng Batak. Struggling all game long. But when it matters, when the game is on the line, again, he will deliver for Coach Jeff Napa and the Letran faithful. Pati si Big Mac Andaya napangiti dun sa big three nitong si Ray ng Batak. Kita mo naman, the Mamba eyes coming from Ray ng Batak.
Dalawang clutch na tres para kay Ray ng Batak. Kaduya takes the first. Balik sa dalawang lamang dito sa LPU Pirates.
Kita mo, nagdadasal na ang bench ng Letran. Asking for another Ray ng Batak shot.
Kaduya, crucial free throws once more, and he makes both.
No timeouts for Letran, down by 3.
12.6 seconds remaining.
And the good foul there for Shaq Alanes.
Number 13,
They have a lot of fouls to give. 2 team fouls pa lamang sila dito.
That's his fourth, 2 on the Pirates.
10.4 seconds remaining dito sa ating laro. 3-point lead para sa LPU Pirates. No timeouts for the Letran Knights. Abregu. And LPU gives up another foul.
LPU choosing to foul. They don't want an easy basket for Ray ng Batak or anyone else para dito sa Letran. And they still have 2 fouls to give. Or 1. They have 1 foul to give before they enter penalty. So tingnan natin kung gagamitin mo to ng LPU.
It's going to be an entertaining finish. Last 8 seconds. Calvo. Nakita niya si ng Batak against Alanes. Gets a screen from Abregu. Luwen for 3. Short. And the LPU Pirates surviving the rampage from the Letran Knights, winning this game, winning their 4th game of the season.
And the LPU Pirates stun another powerhouse team dito sa ating NCAA. Defending champions, tinalo nitong LPU Pirates. We see their potential. Consistency na lang ang hinihingi if they can come out and play like this every game. Tingnan mo naman yung depensa nila. Sa labas, alam nilang 3 points ang kailangan ng Letran. Lahat sila lumabas sa 3-point line.
At more importantly, Mikey, hindi nila pinatira dun si Ray ng Batak na naka-hit ng 2 clutch 3-pointers.
Ang ganda dun ng finish, ang ganda ng depensa na pinakita dun ng team ni Coach Topex Robinson. As for the Letran Knights, kinapos lang, nahabol nila sa dulo. Almost the whole game, lamang itong LPU, pero hinabol ng Letran. Hindi lang umabot.
Ito, final score natin, 75-72. Once again, LPU Pirates pulling off the upset against our defending champions, the Letran Knights. Balance attack dito para sa LPU Pirates, Mikey. At ito na nga, nakukuha na nila yung forma dito sa ating season, getting their 4th win.
Ang ganda na naman ang pinakita nitong LPU. Pero, sino ba ang pinakamagandang pinakita? The best man to compliment Mike Zuzu, itong si Jesper Ayaay.
Ito, kasama nga niya, si Sarah Carlos. Sarah?
Hi guys! So, grabe, sobrang galing ng gear niya. Like, hindi ka pa makahabol ang Letran Knights. What was happening during the last few seconds of the game?
Inisip lang namin, huwag kaming susuko eh. Tapos yung positive na nasa isip namin, kailangan positive lagi, huwag kaming give up. Kasi nandun na kami, konti na lang, sabi ni Coach. Kailangan namin manalo eh.
So, patapos, this is your last game for the first round. Like, what can the viewers expect from the LPU Pirates for the second round?
Sabi nga ni Coach, kailangan namin makuha nung panalo ngayon. Basta sa second round, mas trabahuhin pa namin yung yun lang, trabaho lang kami. Tapos go hard pa rin kami sa aming ginagawa. Makinig kami kay Coach Topex.
Okay, tapos may mga pabati ka ba na gusto sabihin? Like, thank yous and congratulations and everything?
Unang-una, nagpapasalamat ako kay God. Tapos sa papa ko, laging nasa tabi ko. Tapos yung family ko sa Quezon na binabati ko, si Marieta Ayay, tapos lola ko, si Milagros Ayala, tapos yung kapatid ko. Tapos yung mga tropa ko dun sa Pagbilao sa amin, sa Quezon Province.
Okay, thank you so much and congratulations again for winning your game. Back to you, Martin and Mikey.
Itong si Jesper Ayay, I'm sure, binati niya yung kanyang pamilya at syempre proud na proud sila for Jesper Ayay and the LPU Pirates notching their 4th win of the season.
And coming up next, wag po kayong alis dito sa ABS-CBN Sports in Action dahil susunod, Beda Baseto, nagsasayawan na nga itong San Sebastian Stags, enjoying before the game. Makakalaban nga nila the undefeated so far 7-0 team. Itong San Beda Red Lions, magandang bakbakan po yan pagkatapos netong larong ito sa ABS-CBN Sports in Action, of course. And what a way para dito sa LPU Pirates to enter first round, getting their 4th win of the season. Samantala, ito ng mga Letran Knights, meron pa silang isang laro, ikatlong talo nila sa NCAA Season 92. In behalf of our broadcasting direct, Abed Ramos, Mikey Reyes, Sarah Carlos, Lian Ocampo, ako po si Martin Javier. Babalik po ang ABS-CBN Sports in Action.